So hello and as always, welcome back to Learning MG. So many of you have been asking me what to do in case you want to restart your Apple Watch because it isn't working correctly, and what's the hack or the trick you can do. So if it isn't working correctly, what you should do is just turn it sideways, and as you can see right here, you've got here one button and here the other button. So press both of them at the same time for about 20 seconds. Okay, so you press them and you just wait. Okay, you see I'm pressing them, and now you just wait patiently until you see the Apple logo. That means that the restart has taken place and you will not lose any actual data or anything. It will just restart the Apple Watch in case you've had any issues or it hasn't been working correctly, and you see the Apple logo. And now after about 20 seconds you'll see that it starts the Apple Watch back again. And I think it's a quick way of actually restarting it in case it's giving you any issues or any problems. Okay, so as always, if you've got any questions, just leave it down here in the comments below, and me or anyone from the Learning MG team will answer as shortly as possible. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel because it will really help the YouTube algorithm. And as always, thank you very much for watching.